Welcome back, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on an Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Right, first thing you need to do is turn the wheel, front wheel, in a bit, look inside the arch liner and you'll see 4 Phillips screws. So you've got 1, 2, 3 and 1 up the top there, and also up here holding on from the bumper to the arch there's a T30 Torx bolt which also needs to come out. That's up there, look, and you need to do that on both sides. One. Two. T30 Torx. Right, next you need to get underneath the car and you'll see a load of these. Okay, so you've got one in the middle here, one there which is below the fog light, one at the back over there, and obviously some more scattered around, so you need to undo all them. They are again T30. They're not in very tight. Shouldn't be anyway. There you go, like that. I won't show you the others. Once you've undone all the T30 bolts from underneath, you now have 4 T55s. So these are a lot bigger. So there's one here, one there, one there, and one there. So it's just a 4 to undo there. They're all the same size. Right, if you're sure you've got all the bolts out, what you need to do now is give this a bit of a tug. Get your hand on the bumper just below the wing and give it a pull, okay? Like that. And you can see there the locating lugs, and they locate it in the bottom of the wing. And now do the same on the other side. Simple. Next, see this flap here? So this is by just to the right of the bonnet latch. Pull this up. I'll make sure it's off, and then you can pull the bumper. Just make sure it's pulled away on the right. That's loose and that's loose. And you can see now, I've just pulled that away there, and we go across the other side. Just make sure that's away. There. There you go, you can see it's ready to come off. So this here is for the fog lights, that's for both of them. So just undo that, it's just simple pull up and pull, he says, with one hand. I can't do it with one hand, but there you go. Just undo that, and then I've got the optional xenon headlights, which means I've got the washer system. So I need to cap this pipe here, because that feeds both washers. Okay, so I just have to do that as well.